Welcome to Persistent, my Sinatra content management system app. This is my second portfolio project for Flatiron's software engineering program. Today, we're going to do a little walkthrough of user experience when they're interacting with this app. We'll start off logging in as a user who already has an account. Go here, we're signing in as Ayla. Ayla is one of my test users and also my dog. We log in, we're taken to a page that shows all of Ayla's notes. Persistent is a place to store and organize your notes by topic. You can see here that the topics are listed, and under each topic are clickable links for the notes that belong to that topic. When a user logs in, they can go to a specific note, take a look at that note, and Ayla says, get as many snacks as possible. The toddler is wild sometimes, but he gives me snacks. She says, actually, I want to change the topic of this note. You can go here to edit the note. And she says, instead of appointments, I am going to put this under a to-do list. You can see here there's a drop-down menu of the topics you can choose from. And Ayla says, that looks good. I'm going to update my note. She's brought back. You can see here the topic has been updated. And then she can also navigate around her app using the nav bar. She's going to go up here, take a look at all her notes, and she can now see the toddler snacks has moved under a new topic of to-do list. If a user is logged in and they type something into the URL that does not exist, they will get an error, and it'll let them know the page doesn't exist and help direct them where they can go instead. Now, let's take a look at what it's like for a user to sign up. You go here to the sign up page. You may have noticed on the login page as well that there is the option, oops, I meant to do this instead. So if a user clicks on the wrong button, they don't have to navigate backwards. They can just say, no, I want to log in instead. We're going to sign up as a new user. We'll call him Bob. And we need to give Bob an email and a password in order to create his account. All right, we're brought to Bob's notes page. As you can see, it says he hasn't created any notes yet, and to please click here. This way, a brand new user is not brought to a page that is just completely blank, other than the heading Notes by Bob. Now, if Bob wants to add a new note, he can click here. He will choose a title. We'll call this Travel. We are going to put this as a goals topic. You can choose a date. And if a user goes and tries to create a note without filling in a field, they will get this little message, please fill out this field. That way a user doesn't save any blank data to the database. And this is a nice text field area. They can move around as they like, depending on how they want to write their note, or if they want to copy in a note they have written elsewhere, they can do that. Create my note. And now we see that Bob has a note saved on his notes page. We'll look at what happens if someone is not logged in and they try to navigate through the URL. Say we go to /notes, which is a route that exists for a logged in user. If we go in here it'll say, please log in below. In that way, someone who is not logged in cannot just go and see the notes that belong to another user. And if a non-logged in user just types in gibberish in the URL, they will get another error, and it's that this page does not exist, but this time it says sign up or log in as opposed to the error options that a logged in user received. That is all I have for today. I thoroughly enjoyed this project and hope to do a little more with the CSS, maybe add some images. But for now, this is what I have to share, and I appreciate your time listening. Thank you.